Section 1.4, Part 2. So in the last section, we decided whether a sentence was an equation, an inequality, or an expression. Our next section is to check whether the given number is a solution to the equation. Remember, our vocabulary word solution means that I get a true statement. Okay, so we're going to plug in some stuff that we did in Section 1 with some new information from here. So just like in Section 1, it gives us a value for x. Here it tells me that x is 4. So what it wants me to do, just like we did before, is I'm going to take that 4 and I'm going to plug it in where I see an x. So anywhere that x is, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put in 4. Okay? Remember, to make it not look like 24, I'm going to put parentheses around my 4. And I keep everything else the same. All I did was take out the x and put in 4. Now I just have to simplify it. So we start order of operations with multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. Then we do our addition. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I end up with a sentence, 11 equals 7. So then we ask ourselves, does 11 equal 7? The answer here is no. Okay? 11 does not equal 7. Okay, last time I checked, those weren't the same thing. Okay, let's try number 9. So same thing with number 9. I'm going to take 2, and I'm going to plug it in where there's an x. So wherever there's an x, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put in 2. Remember to put those parentheses around your 2, so it doesn't look like 32. Then we're going to simplify. Simplify means we follow order of operations. We do multiplication first. So 3 times 2 here is 6. And I write everything else down. Then I do my subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1. So here I have 1 equals 1. And we ask ourselves, does 1 equal 1? And in this case, yes. 1 does equal 1. So when we're looking at this, number 7 is not a solution because I didn't get a true statement. 11 doesn't equal 7. However, in number 9, it is a solution because I got 1 equals 1, which is true. So that's what we're looking for here. We're going through, we're plugging in our number, and we're looking to see if the left side equals the right side. Is it a true statement? Let's do number 11. So number 11, I'm going to take 3, and I'm going to plug it in where there's a y. But there's several y's. So it's going to go in for all of the y's. Okay, everywhere there's a y, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put in 3. Okay, so 3 plus, remember for this y, I need to put it in parentheses, so it doesn't look like 33. On this side, I have 2, and I'm going to put it in parentheses, so it doesn't look like 23. Okay, order of operations, multiplication first. So we need to do 3 times 3, which is 9. And on this side, we have multiplication also. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we're going to do our addition. 3 plus 9 is 12. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we ask ourselves, does 12 equal 10? The answer here is no. Okay? 12 does not equal 10. Let's do one more perhaps here. Let's do number 13. Okay, so here, same thing. I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to plug it in for my m. So anywhere I see an m, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put in 9. So I have 4 plus 9 over 3 equals 12. Okay, we still have order of operations here, so I have to do my division before I do my addition. So if I take 9 divided by 3, I'm going to get 3. Now I continue simplifying. 4 plus 3 is 7. And I ask myself, does 7 equal 12? The answer here is no. Okay? No, 7 does not equal 12. So I know it's a solution if I get a true statement like I did up in number 9. Okay, let's use a red pen here. Like I did up in number 9. 1 does equal 1. Okay, so that is a solution. However, with all these other ones, 11 equals 7, 12 equals 10, 7 equals 12, these are not true. Okay, because they're not true, these numbers that we plugged in are not solutions to the equation. Okay, at this point, you need to stop and do section 1.4, check point 2.